Hey everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on Semrush keyword research. If you're looking to create content that ranks well in search engines and drives targeted traffic to your website, then this video is for you. I'll be diving into the powerful features of Semrush and explore how to find the best keywords for your content strategy, even if you're just starting out. And the great news here is that Semrush offers a free trial, which gives you the opportunity to test drive the tool and see if it's the right fit for your needs. I've included a link in the description below of this video where you can sign up for the free trial. By clicking on that link, you can explore Semrush firsthand and determine if it's the perfect solution for your online marketing. Moving on, let's talk about the reason why keyword research is so crucial. When you create content around the right keywords, you're essentially targeting the exact phrases and questions that your ideal audience is searching for. So simply put, by matching your content with user intent, you increase your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting qualified traffic to your website. However, not all of the keywords are the same. As you will see in this video, some keywords have incredibly high search volumes but are also competitive, making it nearly impossible for a new website to rank for them. On the other hand, some keywords may have lower search volumes but are also lower competition, presenting an opportunity for us to rank more easily and start building our organic presence. And this is where Semrush comes in. It helps us uncover those golden keyword opportunities to make data-driven decisions for the content strategy. So moving on, let's get started with the keyword research process. Once you signed up for your account and logged into the dashboard, you will want to navigate to the keyword magic tool on the left sidebar. And this is where we can find our perfect keywords. So in the search bar at the top, enter the main keyword or phrase related to your niche or the topic that you want to create content around. For this example, let's say that we are in the digital marketing niche and we want to find keywords related to it. So I'm going to start by typing in HubSpot, which is a popular service when it comes to digital marketing, and then click on the search button. Semrush will then generate a comprehensive list of related keywords along with valuable metrics that help us assess their potential. The next step would be to take a closer look at the keyword metrics provided by Semrush. The two most important ones that you want to pay attention to would be the volume and the KD. Volume here represents the average number of monthly searches for a particular keyword. Generally, higher volume keywords indicate more potential traffic, but only if you can rank for them. Which takes us to the second metric, which is KD or keyword difficulty. And this is the indicator for how challenging it would be to rank for a specific keyword. It's measured on a scale from 0 to 100, with higher numbers suggesting greater competition. So as a new website, it's crucial for us to focus on keywords with lower difficulty scores, as it would be incredibly challenging to outrank well-established websites for highly competitive keywords right off the bat. And that's what we are going to do. To narrow down our keyword list and find those low-hanging fruit opportunities, we can use the filters provided by Semrush. On the left side of the screen, you will see various filter options. So under the KD or keyword difficulty section, click on custom range. This allows us to specify the range of difficulty scores that we want to target. If you're a beginner site, I recommend setting the minimum value to 0 and the maximum value to 29. This will target the keywords that fall into the easy and very easy difficulty ranges, giving your new website the best chance of ranking relatively quickly. Once you have set the custom range, make sure to sort the results by volume in descending order. This way you will see the keywords with the highest search volumes at the top of the list, making it easier to identify potential opportunities. As you scroll through the filtered keyword list, pay special attention to transactional keywords. These are the keywords that indicate a user's intent to make a purchase or take a specific action. So in the context of digital marketing software, transactional keywords often include phrases like versus or comparison, pricing, or review. For my specific case with HubSpot, you might find some keywords like HubSpot versus some other tool, which suggests that users are actively considering different kind of software and are closer to making a decision, which in this case would be to get a subscription for either one of the software. Targeting these keywords can be particularly valuable if you're an affiliate marketer promoting these products, as this will help you attract more users who are further along in the buyer's journey. So again, when selecting keywords to target, it's very important to strike a balance between search volume and keyword difficulty. You might look at the high volume keywords and see them as tempting, but they often come with fierce competition that can be challenging to overcome. Again, especially for a new website. But for example, in our case, if you're an affiliate marketer promoting products with high commissions, you don't necessarily need a massive amount of traffic to start generating income. Instead, focus on keywords with a reasonable search volume and low difficulty scores. These are the keywords that may have less overall traffic potential, but you will have much better chance of ranking for them and attracting targeted visitors that are more likely to convert. For instance, let's say we come across the keyword HubSpot versus some other tool. It has a relatively low monthly search volume, but more importantly, if you look at the keyword difficulty score, then you would see it as green, which indicates it's relatively easy to rank for. And if I were actually making content on this topic, it would be a promising keyword to target. And once you've identified promising keyword, it's time to add it to your master keyword list within Semrush. So to do this, simply click on the plus icon next to the keyword, and then you will be prompted to create a new list or select an existing one. I recommend creating a list specific to your niche or content topic, such as digital marketing tools in my case, and then we would give our list a name and click on the check mark to save the keyword to that list. Repeat this process for any other relevant keywords that you discover during your research. By organizing your keywords into lists, you can easily access them later on when planning your content calendar or creating a new blog posts or videos. And there you have it. That is essentially how you conduct a simple keyword research using Semrush. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.